Imagine making money while you sleep, having your house run on its own, and improving your routine with zero effort. It sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. AI is already here, and it's changing lives in ways you can't even imagine. In this video, you're going to discover 5 real ways to make money with AI. And on top of that, I'll show you how AI can help simplify your daily life, saving you time and boosting your productivity. And trust me, the final tip is going to blow your mind because it's literally in your hands right now. Let's cut to the chase. Making money with AI. Here are 3 practical ways you can start today. The first way is by creating content with AI. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are allowing content creators, designers, and writers to speed up their workflow. You can use AI to write articles, create social media posts, generate images, and even entire videos, and sell these services online on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. The second way, get into automated trading. AI-based investment platforms can analyze complex markets and make rapid decisions for you. Believe it or not, trading algorithms are being used by everyday people to generate profit without spending hours watching charts. And third, create and sell online courses about AI. With the explosion of interest in artificial intelligence, people who master these tools are earning big by selling courses and tutorials, teaching others how to do the same. You can share your knowledge and generate a solid passive income stream. Now that we've covered how you can make money with AI, how about improving your daily life using this technology? Let's talk about home automation. And yes, you can start today. Imagine waking up in the morning and your coffee maker has already brewed your coffee. The lights in your home adjust automatically to match the daylight. Your robot vacuum has cleaned the living room, and the air conditioner is perfectly set based on the day's weather forecast. This is home automation. All of this can be done with simple devices connected to virtual assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. Want more practical examples? Schedule lights to turn on and off when you enter or leave the house, control the thermostat to save energy, or even get alerts when suspicious movement is detected by smart cameras. AI takes care of your home while you take care of everything else. And on top of all that, you're saving time and money. Yes, the future is here and it's sitting in your living room, but that's not all. AI can organize your life in ways you've never imagined. Want to be more productive? With virtual assistants, you can create to-do lists, schedule appointments, and even set automatic reminders. Need to do some shopping? Just say, "Alexa, add milk to my shopping list," and boom, you'll never forget an item at the store again. Want to organize your work? AI can help plan your day efficiently, breaking down complex tasks into manageable steps. With this technology, you can focus on what really matters, while AI handles the rest. Now let's talk about one of the biggest revolutions, AI for your health. Did you know that a simple smartwatch equipped with AI can monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even alert you about abnormal sleep patterns? And all of this helps you lead a healthier life. But that's not all. AI apps like MyFitnessPal can help you plan healthy meals and reach fitness goals tailored to your personal health data. AI analyzes everything and provides you with suggestions that could literally change your life. AI is here, and it's changing how we make money, how we live in our homes, and how we take care of our health. The best part, all of this technology is available to you right now. Which one of these AI tools will you start using today? You found these tips helpful? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.